Ooh, ah. Hey y'all, it's Miss Fashion Me Late, and today we're going to be making this beautiful golden clutch purse. I was inspired by some Alexander McQueen clutch bags that I saw online, and I decided to make a DIY version of it myself. The first thing you're going to need is an oversized eyeglass case, and I purchased this one from Amazon.com. So I really wanted this purse to have some really cool dimension and texture. So what I did was I used my hot glue gun to create some awesome little cheetah spots, which are going to be so beautiful once I apply the paint. So I absolutely adore studs, and I thought it would be so cute to give this bag a studded effect by adding small dots of hot glue on our outer edge of the bag to create a studded look. Woo! This part was a tough job, but somebody had to do it. So taking my favorite gold spray paint, we're going to now go ahead and coat our purse, and watch how glamorous this turns out. Oh, look at that. So I did about 4 layers of spray paint, letting them dry before applying each additional layer. So I picked up this little gem from Hobby Lobby, and it was on sale for $2.50. So this is a really cool trick that I came up with. Whenever you're using the E6000 glue, it takes about 24 hours for it to cure. If you apply some hot glue along with the E6000 glue, your item will stay in place and you won't have to wait 24 hours to continue making your project. To accentuate our cute little golden cheetah spots, I'm just adding some additional rhinestones to give the bag some nice bling. And voila, we're done. We just created the most perfect little evening clutch bag. This is perfect if you're going to a holiday event, maybe a wedding, or even if you're going to prom. This is the perfect fashion DIY. This purse is not only cute, but it's also functional. I was able to fit my set of car keys and also lip gloss, and I still have plenty of room for a debit card or ID. If you like this DIY, please click here to subscribe. Please give this video a thumbs up and share with all of your friends who may love fashion DIYs. Until next time, thanks for watching. Bye.